Hey there, it's Choking myself. I just thought I'd make another video, show you guys what I got going on in the old garage here. Quite a few old cars, British sports cars. They are for sale. So if anyone does see this video and are interested in these vehicles, just leave me a comment and I'll give you all the details. I'm in Canada, Toronto. So yeah, here we go. First off, we got the Austin Healey Bug-Eyed Sprite. She is a beaut. Restored interior, original paint, which is actually lead paint. This is what she looks like from the front. As you can see, the classic bug-eyed look. Over here, we've got the Triumph Spitfire. I believe she's, I think 1976, 5-speed overdrive, 4-cylinder, 1500cc. She's been completely restored from the frame up, engine, interior, everything. Nice solid white. I think that's eggshell white. And yeah, she's the fastest car we got going on right now. She is a beaut. Over here, I believe it's 1960. I think it's a 64 Triumph TR3, and I believe this one would be all original. She is quite a beaut. She fires up. She's got a very, very nice interior. Very beautiful look to her. This one is not for sale. This is the private collection right here. So those are just a few of the cars we got going on in this garage. So if anyone is interested, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you, okay? Thank you.